Hello guys, today we are going to see like uh, buzzing technologies in the market like AI. Here I have came through an article which is saying AI will replace software engineers. So we will discuss on this, what is happening and what is the advantages and disadvantages of AI. Will it really replace the software engineer job in IT industry? So stay with me, guys. I will brief you through each and everything what's happening and how we can get benefited or how what are the disadvantage of AI. So let's start with this article. What is here they have given AI role in software engineering. It is rapidly transforming in the IT field. It can test our application, debug or improve efficiency of code. This is the one type of advantages of for the software engineer. So they can get benefited from AI. So further we will go into the deep here they have given key areas where AI have impact in software engineering. So first is code generation and compilation, code review, testing, debugging, problem solving, DevOps, automation, performance, creative, lot of different thing in there in IT industry. So we can it will be evident that AI uses in software engineering still in means it is in beginner stage. AI in software industry is in beginner stage. So it will perform basic tasks, which is repetitively we do. But there is some complex task is also there that we can't that for now AI that can't replace complex tasks. Those engineers who are skilled in designing, developing software solution. So in this case, you are little bit worried about you are in the entry level or freshers level. You are seeking for job in IT industry. In that case, it might be impactful for you. So be little worried about yours. So how AI is beneficial for software engineers? So here you can it will improve your productivity because basic tasks you are performing you are writing loops and that all that AI is doing that job a very good way. So that will the time you are taken for development will be reduced by AI. Here overall impact for means negative here is skill obsolescence. AI automates more tasks. Some of the skills software engineers currently use may become obsolete. Means you are in entry level, so that your job means that will you spend some times on exploring things and upskilling that will be replaced by AI. This one is a negative side from AI. Job displacement means your job displacement will be there, but according to the some of the report they are saying AI will potentially displace 7.5 million low level dev job across the globe. Means this is a little bit worried about things. You need to be worried about this. So as I earlier suggested, you have to be more you have to be in the you need to be enhance your skill in a such a way that you can build complex softwares. You are not replaceable there. You design some systems. So you have to be in upskill your skill, which is like from low level job to high level jobs. So this will be next year. There are loss of creativity. Some of them are concerned that AI will make their work less creative, means rewarding. They are saying other positive impact. AI creates a new opportunity for software engineer in machine learning, data science, and cyber security. This will create more opportunities in like data science, cyber securities. And one more here, will AI replace software engineers? So if we see based on the this article, AI will not replace human as it is a tools. We can use more. We can improve it as a productivity tool. But you are like or remark on this, like you are low level at a low level entry level job, then it will be impactful on your career. You need to be worried about that. Then what do developer things like will AI replace uh, software developer? Here we can uh, come to the conclusion that we need to enhance our skill in a such a way that we will be in more and more deep in our software development, so it will not cost you. That's from this, but we will go ahead and we'll see what can AI do. So here, like they have developed one Devin AI. This is a trending in software among software developers. So here they have given it is developed by Cognition Lab. Cognition Lab, they are saying like it's first AI software engineers. So people are thinking like it will once it come, there are software developer jobs will be replaced. So first we will go through this or like what their Devin capabilities see here you can see Devin can learn how to use familiar technologies. It can like read blog posts and give you the expected output as they are saying. Devin can build apps. So here if you can see like Devin can build and deploy apps end to end. Means here we need to little bit worried about of like it can be developing application from different technologies and that are deployable. So here Devin can automatically find and fix bugs in code bases. It can fix codes and bugs in our code as well. So that work we are doing manually, we are spending hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. That will be done within minutes or seconds. So here our chances are high that you will be like entry level jobs will be replaceable with the help of AI. But here we have advantages as well, where we will be more productive as AI will help us in the developing applications. And here more features they have given. Yeah, they even can address bugs and feature requests too. And they have tested error on GitHub issues, and Devin has performed that thoroughly. So he find the error, fix errors, means moreover work you are doing that are doing by AI. So there are more chances that in future, but now it's in beginner stage. We have not to worry that much, but in future maybe there is a chances the more of the software engineer job will be replaced by AI. Devin can contribute to mature production repository. It can contribute to production repositories. So at the last here. they have like given some jobs on the Upwork as well. Like it can do the freelancing jobs as well. So success rate you can see here, real world software engineer performance as they have given Chat GPT 3.5, Chat GPT 4 one. Here Devin performance is quite good, and in the future it will go increase more as it is in beginner stage. That's all about this video, guys. At the end, we conclude that it is just a tool. If you are skilled in your technologies, your tech stack, then no things or no AI or nothing will replace you. Just be motivate and work hard. You will not get replaced, guys. Just upgrade yourselves and continuously improve. That's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you.